Wanted to post a real quick update to show everybody what's been going on past few weeks or months, weeks, something like that. Anyway, I've got most of the AC electrical system installed now. The panel you're looking at right now is the front interface of that whole thing. It's actually bolted to the nose of the jet, as you can see kind of here. What we've got is a primary USB connection that is going to handle the I/O for the flight controls, network connection for things that need network, and then individual buses for the AC power. 2 buses individually supplied with power. So let's go ahead and we'll turn one of them on. And this primary AC bus drives a power supply that gives power to a contactor and to these 2 buttons. When I go ahead and I press the button, it will make the system active. And then that will allow me to power this AC bus. Okay, now let's go take a look and see what I just did. So in here is where the magic happens, theoretically. Let me get something to point with here. This is the 24-volt power supply that I was just talking about, and this is the contactor that engages when I press that button. Okay, if I reach out and I grab the where is it? Here it is. Is that it? Yep, that's it. You hit that button, you hear it close. I was just pressing the red disable button. Okay, so we'll hit that again, and you'll see it work. You'll notice that this relay clicked. That is driven by this power supply here. Apparently I'm not using the fancy pointer. This power supply here. The second AC bus drives this power supply and this relay. And that wiring goes down below into this lower avionics bay right here. Okay. The 2 power strips there that you see are not wired yet. Those are for any device that requires some kind of wall wart power, mostly USB stuff, like this powered hub here will be plugged into it, and over here that network switch will be plugged into it. So that's pretty much where I'm at right now. I've replaced the old rope lighting I had in here with LEDs. It's not permanent by any means, because it's really not meant for what I'm using it for, but it gets the job done. And that's pretty much it. I mean, there's not a great deal going on here, at least not yet. Got lots of stuff cleaned up, some things fixed, and just, small incremental improvements in things. And I'm getting documentation done as to how I'm dealing with things. This area down here is going to be where my I/O interfaces are, at least for this side of the cockpit. I may have another set on the other side. I haven't decided yet. And this side is where the relay panel that controls all of the AC devices that plug into that DIN rail power strip up there will be controlled from. And one of those things will, of course, be the power supply for the control loading system, which is all nice and put back together now. I don't know if you noticed it on the video that I did on this last time, but there was some flex in this assembly. And that doesn't really surprise me a whole lot because it wasn't designed to have the loads on it that I've been putting on it. So I'm going to need to add some bracing to this to keep that flex from happening. But this is all back together and set up and working the way it's supposed to. So that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching.